Digital label printing is a branding technique that works in a similar way to a colour office printer. It uses 4 different coloured toners, cyan, magenta, yellow and black, to give full colour process images. First of all, the artwork is sent to the printer via a computer. The digital printer is roll-fed with the vinyl labels. The same machine then laser cuts the labels into individual squares. Each sheet of labels is then laminated with a clear protective covering. The full label is then cut out. Finally, the labels are applied carefully by hand to each side of the cube.